Hi, and welcome to your brief Navigate overview. The Navigate platform is available on desktop through your MyCLC portal. It's also available on any mobile device by going to the App Store and downloading the Navigate app. You can also access it via the CLC app by clicking on the Navigate icon. To access the platform from the portal, start by going to the College of Lake County's website and selecting the MyCLC login. Enter your username and password and click Login. You'll find the link to Navigate under the Launchpad on the left-hand side of your screen. If this is your first time accessing the site, you can click the link, drag it, and drop it to your list of favorites so that you can access it more quickly in the future. Click on the link and click Login with your school account. By entering Navigate through your CLC portal, it will recognize your login credentials and bring you right to your homepage. On your homepage, you'll see a list of any outstanding to-do items as well as upcoming events. You can also click on your to-dos and events page for this information. This will provide a full list of any outstanding to-do items, which may include a brief survey that you've been sent or any general checklist items, as well as key upcoming dates. Your Appointments tab will list any upcoming appointments that you have, as well as any appointments that you've been invited to schedule. To check in for an upcoming appointment, you can select the Check-in button to alert the person with whom you're set to meet that you've arrived for your appointment. Otherwise, to view general details about the appointment, you can click into it, review the date, time, location, and if necessary, you can cancel the appointment. Occasionally, you may receive appointment invitations. If you're invited to schedule an appointment by your academic success advisor or somebody else, that invitation will live here and you can click on it, review the type of meeting you've been invited to schedule as well as the location, and you can click on Find Available Time to schedule that appointment. The My Team tab of your Appointments page will list your designated success team, and you can click on any of these individuals to schedule an appointment directly with them. Otherwise, to schedule a general appointment, select Schedule an Appointment. You can indicate the type of appointment you'd like to schedule, the service, and then you can leave today as the default date, or if you have a date in mind, you can select that date and hit Find Available Time. Based on the type of appointment you've selected, all available locations and staff members for that type of visit will appear here. You can also set some additional filters to help your search. For example, if you'd like to meet in person, or if you prefer a video call or a phone call, you can indicate that here, and you can indicate which location is best for you. Once you find a day and time that works well for you, you can select that appointment and review appointment details. If there's anything you'd like to share with your academic success advisor ahead of your meeting, you can enter your comments here. And then if you'd like to opt out of the email reminder or the text message reminder, you can do so by checking or unchecking these boxes. You can also update your phone number if there's a better phone number to text you at. Hit schedule when you're ready. You'll get a success message that the appointment was successfully scheduled, and you can click View Appointments to return to your appointments page and find that new appointment listed under Upcoming Appointments. Study Buddies is a great way for you to connect with your classmates, to share some study materials, get help with homework, or study for exams. To join a study group, click View Available Groups. A list of all of your current courses will appear, and you can select Join to enter the group. You'll get a pop-up reminder that joining will share your CLC student email address with others who have joined the group so that you can connect via email. If this is okay, select Yes. Otherwise, you can hit Never Mind. Once you've joined a Study Buddy group, you'll see that class listed here and you can click into it for a status. If others have joined, you'll see their name and their CLC email address listed here so that you can send messages and begin to connect. If at any point you wish to leave the group, simply click Leave Group. The Resources page is a great place to come to find all of the resources and services we have across the college, as well as people who are here to support you. Resources are grouped by category, and you can click into any category to review a full list of resources available. The list is also searchable, so if you're looking for something like tutoring assistance, you can type in tutoring, and you'll see all of our tutoring centers. Click on one of the tutoring centers, and you'll be able to review their hours of operation, website, phone number, and location. You can favorite a resource, and then this will appear on your list of favorites for future reference so that you can easily access the information that you need. You can toggle over to the People tab to get a full list of your success team. Any advisor assigned to you, such as an academic success advisor, will appear here, as well as any instructors that you have for the current term. You can click on anyone listed here to bring up their contact information. You can click on the mail icon to open up an email dialog and initiate a conversation, or click on the call button to get their phone number. If you're already on a mobile device, this will open up a phone call directly. If you're looking at an individual that has availability set up in Navigate, such as your academic success advisor, you'll see this blue Schedule an Appointment button, as well as the locations at which they're available to meet. You can click into a location to review days and times that they're available. Otherwise, you can click Schedule an Appointment to view all of their availability. Some of your instructors might also have availability built out for faculty office hours. If that's the case, again, you'll see this blue Schedule an Appointment button. You can click on it, indicate what type of appointment you'd like to schedule. Again, we'll do academic success advising, and we'll do academic career and transfer planning, and then click Find Available Time. You can go through the same scheduling workflow that we reviewed before to schedule an appointment with your success person. Once your appointment is scheduled, if you do need to cancel it for any reason, you can find that appointment in your list of upcoming appointments, click on it, and then hit Cancel Appointment. We'll ask for a cancellation reason. You can select the most applicable, enter any comments, and then hit Cancel Appointment. You'll get a success message indicating that you've successfully canceled the appointment. Your class schedule page will list all of the classes that you're currently enrolled in. You can click into any class to review some general details, including start and end dates, meeting patterns, and a brief course description. For a calendar view, you can also click on Schedule View, and you can see a weekly calendar of your class times. Lastly, your settings page will show some important CLC student information, like your student ID number, as well as your student email address. You can also update your profile on this page, review your list of preferences, and update your notification settings. Once again, the Navigate platform is available to you on a desktop version and also available on a mobile device from any app store.